This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a confirmed picking. You have done the picking and picking is confirmed against an outbound delivery and TO is also confirmed. Then you want to reverse that respective confirmation. How to do that? As we know that once the TO is confirmed, we cannot cancel the transfer order. Okay, in case of delivery, we have a transaction code which can reverse that respect to confirmation, picking confirmation. That we are going to see that what are the steps involved and how we are going to perform. Let us create a delivery against a sales order first to initiate our transaction. I will create an outbound delivery with reference to a sales order, and then we are going to create a transfer order and then confirmation of transfer order. Then we'll see the how to reverse the picking confirmation. Okay, we know that VL01N, like create outbound delivery VL01N, then create TO LT03, then confirm TO LT12, later the LT0Z. Okay, that we are going to show. But let us finish this positive test first. Delivery quantity and picking, I'm going to create a delivery quantity of 5. Okay, and then let us save the delivery now. Okay, now the delivery is getting created, and go to display. This is the outbound delivery now. Against outbound delivery, I'm going to create the transfer order. I think it's not a database, not yet updated. That's the number is 5. LT03 JK1. Okay, this is the 5 quantity. Click on foreground and enter, save. So I'm creating the TO and now I will confirm also. Once the TO is confirmed, we'll see the status and you want to reverse that status now. Let us go for a TO confirmation. From here itself we can go. And it is a bulk structure related. So we need to input the storage unit. LS25 USA 090 USA 090. Okay, here there is an SU with total quantity, and input here system has taken 5 and remaining 7. Just confirm. Okay, now the transfer order is confirmed. Let us see the delivery, how the status now. See, the delivery is C and C and goods movement is A. Okay, ready to goods issue. But because of other reasons, or after loading inside the material got damaged, or any kind of reasons, you want to reverse the picking confirmation. But we know that once the transfer order is confirmed, we cannot cancel it. So SAP has provided an option called LT0G /n LT0G. So LT0Z is the return to stock from delivery. Okay, here the step which we are going to do that, return to stock from delivery. You have consumed the stock for a delivery. Now you take back the stock from delivery to your stock. That's what the system is saying. Okay, now we can see the stock status of this material /o ls26. Okay, for this material, and here we can see under 916 there is some 17 quantities available. See, this 5 is belongs to ours. This is our delivery, right? 5 quantity under delivery you need to take back to your own stock. So give the warehouse number and input the delivery, and moment type is 999, and you can see the delivery view or TO item view, which is better. TO item view can be seen. So 5 quantity, select. Okay, here we can see that put away you want to do in the background, or else put away in the foreground. You want to keep it in a specific bin, or else let system take a decision. Okay, let us go for put away in background, or else we have an option called return to stock. So the stock will come and sit in here only. Mostly we use the return to stock. So system will create a transfer order from the bin 916 and this delivery as a bin, from there to this bin. Let us see the log. Okay, see the transfer order is created. Source is 916, delivery as a bin from that bin to USA 090. Okay, let us see the status of delivery now. This is our delivery /n VL03N. It has become A and B, because still there is an open transfer order, because we have not yet confirmed. This is the open transfer order. Now we are going to confirm. There. So the stock of 5 pieces have come back to USA 090, and now if you see status of delivery, see it has become normal. A and A, it became like a fresh 5 quantity. Whenever they want to create a new picking transfer order, they can create a new picking transfer order, or else if they want to delete, they can delete. That is the business requirement. Based on the requirement, they can do it. What we have done after TO confirmation, we have reversed that transaction to get from the 916 bin to, means the delivery to the physical stock. We have taken the back from the loading area, the stock is available. From there we have taken and keep it in our warehouse. You can see the document flow also. See the 410, both the transfer orders we can see. Now the delivery is. So after confirmation, how to reverse or how to return the stock from delivery by using LT0Z. That's what we have seen now, LT0Z, and then confirm TO, because there is also open TO is created, right? LT12. Okay. Here what happened? Stock is back to physical bin. Stock is moved from physical bin to 916 bin. Okay, here the bin is delivery number. This is what how we do when we perform the reversal after confirmation in case of delivery. I hope this video has given you an understanding like how to reverse after TO confirmation during inbound delivery, outbound delivery. In this video, I explained about the outbound delivery. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and check my other WM videos and provide your valuable feedback. And don't forget to share with all of your friends, because the efforts are completely same whether it will be useful for hundreds or thousands. So if it is helpful for many people, that will be, it's like that will be very good feeling. Okay, so that Please try to share with more people and participate in the helping of many people. Thank you.